Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. You guys, today what we are making is some homemade lemon pepper wings. Now when I say homemade, I'm not using the lemon pepper seasoning because of the salt intake, okay? So I'm gonna have control of that and enjoy us some lemon pepper wings, you guys. So what we need is some lemon and just some simple pepper. And of course, an air fryer. Okay? This is more, I would like to say, much a healthier place. And yeah, don't worry, because my hands is clean. And yes, this is my wings. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go ahead and do me some lemon juice right up close and personal with you guys, right? Because we want to make sure that these marinate at least a half an hour before I cook them, right? But I want to improve them. You guys see? Improve them with some lemon juice, right? So I have approximately 6 lemons, right? And I'm just gonna enhance the flavors. Right now, I'm not too much worried about any seeds that's getting in here because we're not gonna cook the seeds. We're not gonna cook the seeds. We just need that lemon juice over it, right? And it looks like 2 whole lemons and its juices is enough, you guys. Is enough. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let this marinate. Because when I finish with the wings, we're gonna have some lemon pepper honey wings. That's what I'm making. Lemon pepper honey wings. So if you're new to this channel, thank you so much. You know, I appreciate it. If you're not part of the fam, please join the fam. You guys, join the fam. I would love to have you. I'm not going to put any seasoning on these wings because this is the test run for me. This is a test run. I haven't saw anyone do this on YouTube, no more than to actually do this recipe by homemade, so I'm just gonna go ahead and gonna refrigerate this and let this sit, and then we'll put it in the air fryer, you guys. We're gonna put it in the air fryer. That's what we're gonna do with it. I'm sorry for washing my hands so much. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and put our infused lemon pepper wings right in the air fryer. You guys, we're gonna put it right in the air fryer. Had to make sure you guys was on because I let it sit in the refrigerator for a half an hour. My goodness, you guys. You can see the pepper flavor. Now this sauce, I definitely will be using, this marinade to help with my juice. But the lemon seeds will not go. Okay? So you make sure you stick around for that. Now, thumbs it up if you have never saw my videos. I would love for you guys to go check it out. I'm going to set this air fryer on 20 minutes and I'm going to start it. So guys, we have some juice in there and we have some more fresh lemons. I don't think I'm going to need the black pepper. So we're just going to set that on the side. And we're just going to pour our juices on in there just like that. And we're going to let it cook its way down. Because we only need this honey, right? No measurements. I want to get that sweetness in there. We're just going to let it go ahead and do its thing. And thicken up. So guys, we have it. We're thickening up that. And that's where I'm going to stop. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this into my bowl. So that it can be cooling. Okay guys, so we're gonna check on our wings. Oh, look at there. I'm gonna give them a turn and let them cook on the other side for a quick minute. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Turn them over because these is our lemon pepper wings. Honey wings, that is. Honey wings, that is. And I don't know why, but I thought to do this video. You guys, I was watching J Technique. If you're not familiar with him, go over and check him out. I will leave his link in the description. That's who you heard. Okay, so we turn each one and we're going to let that side cook for approximately 4 minutes. Okay guys, so our wings are ready. They are so ready. And here is our sauce, you guys. Can you see the sauce, you guys? I want to show you how it thickened up. And when I tasted, it was such a sweet, savory taste. You guys, I kid you not. And I'm just going to put the wings right on in here. And I'm going to do the same thing I did in the other video, you guys. If you haven't checked out the Chipotle video, please go over there and check that out. And we're just going to go and put the wings right on in here. Now you could use wingdings. You could use any part of the chicken that you choose to. I just use wings because, you know, that's what I had out. Let me reach over here. Now, I'm going to shake this up, you guys, just like so, and get all of that in there. Just shake it up, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm going to shake it up and get all of that over in there. Okay? And we're going to... So guys, so we're back. And we're just going to go ahead and plate these wings on up for you guys. Check out this. You guys, if you hear any noise, that's my sister on the phone. Okay? So we're going to plate this on up, right? And when I tell you these are some good wings, you guys, you won't go to Wingstop anymore. I can promise you that. I feel the stickiness from the honey. I smell the sweet and savory from the lemon and the honey combination, you guys. When I tell you, oh my goodness, this sauce is so delicious. You can actually drink it. you know. So, oh my goodness. But we're gonna taste one just for you guys, and I'm gonna put this sauce over in a bowl because I want to save the sauce, right? Uh-oh. Let's get that mess up. You what? Who you talking to, Kira? Kira, yeah. Yeah, child. So we're going to get that mess on up off here. Now, no worries. You know, that's the goodness from the sauce, you guys. From the sauce. And we're just going to sauce it just like that. Put a little sauce around there, just like that. And yeah, that will actually complete this video. But we got to put a little parsley because you know your girl loves her parsley, right? Oh my heaven. Look at there. Now that is definitely a lemon pepper wing. Homemade. Made by your girl. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go in for the bite. Oh my goodness. If you're a fan of lemon, you can taste all of that. All of that goodness. The infusement of the chicken. And you get to watch your salt intake. So that completes this video. Thumbs it up. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not already a channel member, well, you know, join the fam. And yes, try this recipe. I could sit at your next lunch, brunch, whatever. You would definitely enjoy this recipe. You guys share it with friends and family. And also, join my fam. What you waiting on? But sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.